Hi guys, welcome to this video. The last weeks I have been investigating what if ArcoLinux is not working anymore, it's not providing packages anymore. What if it stops? It all stops. There is no more Arch. Well, I've made videos about Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Peppermint, MX Linux, so many distros you can move to. And if I made a video what is new, I talked about it, and I saw basically I kept a little bit to Debian itself. Now, of course, there are other brands, or how do you say, strains of Linux, and it is, for example, Solus. So I thought, let's not stop the project here, and let's see what Solus has to offer. And can I get Chadwm on there, right? Can I get other apps besides Chadwm on there? So that's the goal. Let's install, because XFCE, we know XFCE, right? And it's great as a backend for any tiling window manager, because all these applications are standalone things. You can run them, launch them, create configs for them, right? And off you go. So here we have install system, Calamares installer. It's reference 3.2, so the old version. Dutch is not needed. American English, always learn the English terms. Can I make this a little bit bigger? Yes, thank you. Next. What's the name? Resilience. Fine. Next. Sure. Belgian, that's me. Next, erase disk choices. These are the choices. Nothing more, nothing less. Swap to file does not exist. All good for me. Log in automatically. Let's see what we get to install. So that's the first thing. We need to go to here or to here for more information. Scan with your phone. It happens to be lying next to me. Let's see that works. Hey, where are you? There he is. It goes to help.getsol.us. Solus Help Center. That's where we go to. Documentation for Solus. Installing software. It says users, packaging, devlog. So I'm user, clicking on users. If you're new to Solus, quick start, go for it. Boot management, default applications. Prepare to install software center. And we can have a look. Personally, I would like to learn how to install a package. Preparing to install is the ISO. That's not needed. Software center. Oh, we're done. So yeah, I'll need to stroll through the help here. But in the meantime, oh yeah, sorry, my mistake. Clicked on the wrong button, right? It's not rebooting by default, it seems. So I better do it here then. All choices you can have in Calamares. That's my login screen. Let's set it once more, right? Because that was the live DVD. Live DVD does not send the right resolution to my future system. Voila. So this is what we get. Let's look around for the applications. Can we still make this bigger? No, it's the new XFCE, so we can't drag this anymore. I'm really, well, disappointed is the correct adjective. Disappointed that they don't let us drag this up or to the right. Will live. I am on Chadwm anyway. Ristretto is here, Internet, Firefox and Thunderbird. There is parole, yeah, the default. Office is here. Some settings which seem all normal. The hardware drivers maybe. That's not normal. System gported is here. Let's take a look at this. Settings, Bluetooth, default, mousepad. Alright. Okay, all looking good. We're here for Chadwm. How do I install stuff? No idea, right? So I need to figure out how to install things in a terminal. That's what I like to have. This is a web browser, it seems. That's linked to Firefox. How to install a package on Solus via terminal. That's my interest. Thank you and bye. EO package. Okay. EO package. Accept. The mention of Arch here. Flatpak and Snappak. PC. Packages installed successfully as intended. Okay. Turkish government. Alright, we learned something. Okay, so EO package installed. That's what I want to know. So if we do sudo EO package, and then we have this, and then we type double tap always, and we read how to remove, build, clean, delta, emerge, help, index, install, list available, list, remove, and upgrade. Okay, let's do an upgrade first. Was update there? Don't think so, eh? Update repo, yes, but not update as such. Safety switch forces installation of following packages. He's still busy, don't have to do anything as an end user, he's still looking around. And then he wants me to tell him something, yeah? Do I approve or not? Let's first make sure we have an up-to-date system. 567 packages is not nothing. In the meantime, I go to home, I go to right mouse click, create data, the folder, not the person from Star Trek, open terminal, git clone https github.com and then my name and then the GitHub ArcoLinux Nemesis, I think. Woohoo! Sudo EO package and then install in Git when this thing is done. That's a common thing. You can't install things if one installer is already busy. You can't tell him go and do this as well in another screen, right? System error. I've never done it, but I know it's obvious, right? Common sense. One thing at a time. What was I thinking? Yeah, I remember that there's an origin EO package origin name. Let's see, it has to do with the past. Executive order. No, probably not. Voila, evolve OS, that's the name it was previously, so hence the name, that's correct. That's why I've learned as well. Executive order sounds good as well. I probably get creative and do some more. We're halfway the installation, so just pause the video. Well, this is the end lines. After all the installation is syncing and updating and compiling and updating some more. Now I can go here and say, go install Git, please. I shall have to type yes. Probably something to add in here as well. I don't know if yes works, but there might be something like we have on Arch. I'd like to git clone. Thank you very much. And then we'll see, right? Then we see, can we do anything? So personal settings, we have here. One of those could be a basis, an idea. So here we have the Fedora from a user. Never seen it, never tried it. This looks very strange. So font probably, I don't know why that looks, that's the way it looks. What would that be? F2. Firefox maybe, I don't know. Anyway, Ubuntu is down here. So when I type U, then we get Ubuntu Chadwm. And we're gonna grab this thing, Control C to here. Voila. So this is the way to install Chadwm on Ubuntu. All we need to do is change this thing so it can run also on other things like Solus. Or you use Linux Mint as start, restart. So lots of updates. The reflex is very simple. Reboot. And hope for the best. Don't like the arrow that I now have. I prefer a white one. And I wondered, right, is there one? I guess not. The breeze dark, not the breeze snow. Not important, not for us. What I do want to do, so Ubuntu 1 is the one that's really lots of scripts, as you can see, lots of things that set Ubuntu like 100% perfect, the way I like it, okay? But the essential bit is this one, install chadwm.sh. Let's see, what do we have? Ctrl-T, sudo eo package install, and then, you know, I'll look for it, but Sublime Text is not there. Is code there? Code or visual code. I can't seem to be able to do tab, but they have their own application, their own software thing, software center. So maybe, so here are also the updates. Still one. And these are all the installed. Here are the third-party things. So if I want to install something, I could do this one, or maybe, yeah, let's do a search. Sublime Code, Visual Studio Code. I'm happy with that as well. Install a password. So here's a lot of stuff, not as much as I remember, although here they are. You need to scroll a little bit more. Here are all the others from the past. Oh my God, why did you not show me that? Right? So take a look at these apps. Maybe it triggers you installing it on Arch, because it's all the same thing. Just see if you can install it. Voila. So now I can choose, right? This one or that one. Let's go for code. What was it again? Markdown. You can drag and drop. Yes, sure. Open, voila. So the code making this bigger was Control plus, and off we go. So we don't need apt install things, probably not, right? So all the app things, Control H, can be replaced by EO package. Check. Install is normal, -y probably not, but we can already do this, replace, 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 and hopefully here we remove something. Okay, so that's that. Can I tell the system to not bug me with these yeses? Maybe, who knows? Installing software, yes. Uninstalling is remove. Reinstall is possible. Search terms. Install package 1, remove. Reinstall, sure. Info, upgrade, upgrade. And that's it. And here we're on snap. So how to install via terminal with default yes. Let's see. No, not this page, right? Yeah, that's what I want, but then not for apt-get. That's the -yes, but for Solus. Okay. Mon EO package. Okay, so we can leave everything as is. -yes. That's how we learn. Look it up. It's often not in the internet, it's often just on your machine. Install Chadwm. Let's see. System error does not exist, that doesn't exist, this one exists. So Alacrity is it being installed? Picum is being installed, Rofi is being installed, all necessary things. Well, of course not Chadwm. Make command is not, etc, etc. Okay, so we ran it first time. I am a tiling window manager guy. I really am. I feel so restricted now. All right. So we have to figure out what all these things are. Build essential. Is there on Solus alternative Solus build essential? The equivalent is this one. Don't think we need all that. The IT is probably install, -C. We'll see if we can do without it. System, develop. Exit 1. Save. And we rerun. Installing packages, system error, program terminated, and that is because of system error, repo item system devel not found. Ooh. Let's do a -C then. Maybe C from character, who knows? Like lookup, whatever it is. Oh yes. So we better look into the C thing. Man EO packages. The C stands for component. All right. Doesn't explain a lot, but it's the C for component. That's finished. So that was needed. This is indeed a very strange name. So sudo io package install font. Let's see, font awesome, font, voila, there he is. So it's called font awesome. Basically get rid of this. TTF. Font awesome TTF. It's this line. That's the name here. Exit 1. Move it maybe here. Well, save. And we run it again. Awesome font is found. We're running this thing and all the rest will not work. So sudo io package install and now lib imlib right, not found. How do these guys do it? Lib with a dash, let's see, 2005 possibilities, probably lib imlib here. There is no lib imlib. At all. Do we have something called search or something? Okay, imlib. We do have something, imlib2 devel. It's probably the one we need. So naming is different. I could try already. If they're all gonna call dev, not dev, but devel, we can always try. Who knows? So imlib2 is installed. Look at that. libxf ft is also installed and libxinerama development is already installed. Oh my god, I'm just in luck. So this is Xinerama that exists. libxxt, okay, dependency probably. libxft, yes, that's what I need. I think I'm missing one. libx11, there he is. That's installed as well. Oh my god, right? So let's get rid of this. Save. Let's do the whole enchilada. What's this? This is strange. Ah, the policy. Yeah. This one. That's not essential, not right now. But look at that, right? A build. It's already built, Chadwm. How about install all, and then we see. Polkit GNOME is the name here. Okay. Polkit GNOME. There's no agent. No. Save. So that should get rid of all the red things. Where is he? And there he is. All the red stuff is gone. Here's one more. The D menu. That's normal. D menu. Well, installed. So Solus tools is again D menu in this one. Save. All right. All right. The tension builds. Log out. Cross your fingers. Wait for it. No bar. So at the top there should be Chadwm, shouldn't be there anymore. Oh great, I do have something. So the super shift enter is the file manager. Super enter is whatever this is. Alacrity. NeoFetch is not installed, but maybe it's interesting to do that. So sudo eo package executive order package install NeoFetch or fastfetch. Let's see if fastfetch is available. Was not available in many of the others. So there it is. FF will not work. It's an alias from us, Eric. Fastfetch. There you go. Nicer like this. Oh no. CLS will not work. Clear will work. Yeah. Fastfetch. There you go. Making this again a little bit workable. Ooh, there we go. Package install. Let's see if they have a render, which is kind of essential for trying to win the managers, because we can do this. That's the one. Click. Then we save it forever and ever and ever. I call it Eric. Voila. Stop, stop. Super shift enter. I have now a code. This one. And when I say let's copy this code and go to where our build is, config Arco Chadwm, and run it with the script run.sh. No, not that one. That one. Why do you do that? Drop. And we run this one. Start with that script, and that script sets my my real estate thing, right? The resolution. So this works, otherwise I wouldn't have key bindings. The policy kit, I have to check if that's okay. PyCam in many virtual machines gives an issue, so it's not a good idea. Variety is not there, so the wallpaper is not existing. So nothing sets the wallpaper here. You have to do everything in tiling window managers. But variety is there, but variety is not installed yet. So Ctrl T, sudo. Let's see if it is there. Install Eric. Or IT. Yes. Okay. That means when I do this and then Alt N, variety kicks in. I continue, I accept everything, and I don't, well, let's keep those. Doesn't matter. So these are the sources, where it's coming from. Don't like the sources, whatever. And the configuration to set everything is often done with sudo eo package install v. One of the things. So, and then up. Nitrogen is certainly another interesting one. Yes. So we have something nice. Super D is working. Nitrogen. Let's do Super Shift D again. Super Shift D. That's the D menu, also working. Nitrogen, voila. Preferences, where will we get the wallpapers? Let's have a look at their wallpapers. Always fun, not important, but fun. Backgrounds, evolve, there it is, right? EOS, Solus. All right, let's select that particular folder. What is the one we like? We can go for automatic and scaled and all that. Full screen and screen 1. Let's take that one. Does that work? It just works, right? But the zooming isn't okay, so automatic isn't okay. Zoomed is probably better. Apply. So we don't have things on the side. This one, apply. Still on the side? Yep. Let's take another one. Apply. So should I zoomed fill do? Yeah, that's the one. Zoomed fill is the one I want. Nice, right? So there you go. We have the possibility to install Chadwm on Solus. And now the rest is still up to you. We'll put this particular file inside the ArcoLinux Nemesis, calling it Solus Chadwm. What we could do in this video as well is have a look at the user lib pol kit gnome. And that's the one. So this thing, Ctrl+Shift+C, should be in here. And what is this thing for? To launch applications as root. ArcoLinux Tweaktool, for example, it prompts, hey, give access. We need access to protected bits and pieces of your system. That's it. Picam was working, but watch out with Picam. It can actually stop everything in virtual machines. Another good tip is do just Picam, like that. And no configuration, just the default. Picam is also a good, interesting thing to test. Because if something is wrong in the config, yeah, everything can just block, stop. Numlocks, whoa, we don't have numlocks yet, I think. Let's see. Numlocks, no. So sudo eo package, stop, clear. Sudo eo package install it, and then our numlock. There is. That's running. So that's your numlock on your keyboard. There's a separate numlock, or no, numeric pad, where voila, you can set it to be on always. The bar is not working, so bar.sh. So it goes to Arco Chadwm, to scripts, yes, to this one. So whatever is needed in here, let's just launch the script, see what it needs. Bar.sh, and it wants to cannot execute required file not found. LL, does that work? LS, does that work? Yes. So whatever is wrong with that one, better drag it up, super F, and see if there's anything in here that it doesn't get, right? Things that are commands, print F maybe. Updates probably doesn't make sense. Check updates, doesn't make sense. It's Arch. And all the rest, you have to navigate through it. Is it important? No, it's just a clock and a timer and all that. Just use your watch, right? Or time. No, not that one. Date? That, well, now you know the date and the time and the second. That changes. Okay, good enough for me, guys. Solus could be a platform to use Chadwm. And we have another system where we learn something. Cheers.